Welcome to Overmont. We are going to talk about the Overmont stock search engine and how we invest in actual stocks. Today is May 20th. We'll discuss how to pick stocks from the May 22nd top 10 stock pick list. What you see here in front of us is the SMI and the WIG40 from Poland, two stock indices where we will publish top 10 stocks on May 22nd. I'm Swiss, so I'll probably want to buy in Switzerland. What we have here is the top 10 list for the stocks in Switzerland. It all starts with the top 10 value strategy, the top 10 value stocks. It then shows the top 10 growth stocks, the top 10 safety stocks, and the top 10 combined stocks. Combined is a combination of value stocks and safety stocks with a little bit of growth characteristics as well. Let's look what we have here in terms of top stocks we could pick from. Well, we have a couple of finance and trading oriented companies, Swiss Re, Transocean, Credit Suisse, that are more difficult to assess and I feel less comfortable for a long-term investment. Then we have 4 companies that are in businesses that are very transparent, and we know about it. There's Nestle, Syngenta, which is in crops and fertilizers. There's Chivondon, which does flavors and fragrances for the food and cosmetics industry. There's Holcim in construction materials, mostly cement worldwide. Then there's another finance company, ABB, the big technology conglomerate, and Adecco, an HR service company. I feel comfortable about investing in Nestle, Syngenta, Chivondon, Holcim, and ABB because these are companies that have produced something that people actually need and have a very good, and I personally have a good way of assessing it. Let's look at the growth investment strategy. Here we have Richemont, it's growing strongly, a luxury company, Geberit, which does a lot of home appliances, Actelion, biotechnology. Well, growth is not something that I use as a big indicator because we never know if the growth will continue or not. Safety for me is important as well. Again, Novartis and Chivondon are very safe, as well as Nestle, very safe in finance, lots of cash on the bank account. Let's go to the combined strategy, which I think is the one you should look at. Here it's led by Chivondon, Nestle, Novartis. These are all companies I like. Chivondon seems to look the best right now, but I also sometimes have some emotional feelings attached to it. I really like Nestle, the global reach. Let's look how they look in detail. What I find important here is this section, achievements. It gives me information if there are additional things to consider about these companies, and I really like that this is a good governance stock, family friendly, it has sound incentive systems for management, and it even is careful with the climate, very positive. Let's see how it looked in the past. It was always ranked highly, it's actually now ranked better than it used to be. It had more growth in the past, maybe that's the reason why it's not that expensive anymore, why the value of the company went up. Let's look at the value metrics in detail. In respect to size, revenues, and capital, it's actually, Nestle actually is not that good, which means that they're mainly generating a lot of cash right now. Well, we don't know what the future will bring. Maybe there's a small indication here. Growth has been a problem recently, but this could be turned around. Nestle management is a good management, like in many companies. So the future may well turn out better again, also in terms of growth. What is important to me also as a long-term investor is the leverage and liquidity rank. That's why I think I listed today. This is my first stock I'm buying out of the top 10 lists, and Nestle is a company I feel very comfortable about because I also see it everywhere I go in the world. Same is true, of course, for ABB, Holcim, Nestle is not further up the road. It's fine by me. And I did buy it. I want to show that to you too. This is my trading account. What you see here is the reminder of 50,000 francs, which is my plan to invest over the next 6 months. Now, this is my plan. This is not necessarily your plan. You have to decide how much you want to invest based on your financial situation. Best to do that with a financial consultant that helps you plan your finances. I decided I want to invest 50,000 in stocks over the next 6 months based on my financial plan. I do it slowly. You know, the principle is slowly in, slowly out. That's what safe investing is all about. And I do it in installments of 10 stock purchases of around 5,000 francs. And you can see here, I actually have the stock. Let's say, let's look at the portfolio here, and it's Nestle, basically the business stock. So I bought today at 73.85. Yes, that's my first purchase based on